Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be doing an unboxing review of the Instapot Duonova 100. It's 120 volts at 60 Hertz and it's 10 quart capacity. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, let's pull it out. It's pretty heavy. Turn this over back to the top. Okay, so the Instapot Duonova has 7-1 multi-use. It has an easy seal lid, and it has a 8-in-1 touch setting. Let's open it up. It has an easy diagram of what's included. And let's open it. And it has a message of going to the website if you need help. Let's open it. Okay, so it comes with a manual. So this is the manual that came with the box. Some safeguards, cooking and cleaning, and information about the warranty. Put that to the side. Comes with also some cooking timetables, which is kind of useful. Both sides. It has different types of foods on it and different times. It's a nice useful chart. We're gonna save this. Here's the instruction manual for the cooker. Initial setup, what's included, and more instructions. I'm gonna put this aside. Okay, we're gonna take the seal ring out. Okay, we're going to remove the box. Okay, let's remove the bag. Okay, so this is what came out of the box. The Instapot Duonova. I bought it for $99 on Amazon Prime on Prime Day. It was a good deal. Okay, let's open it up. See what's in here. Okay, it looks like a cooking rack. Comes with a stainless steel bowl. Okay, let's do some measurements. The height is around 6.5 inches. The bowl is around 12 inches wide. As for the Instapot itself, it's around 16.5 inches. As for the length, it's around 15.5 inches. This is the bottom of the cover. Comes with a sealing ring, and also comes with a spare sealing ring. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how you can replace it. It has a track for the sealing ring, but we're just gonna remove this. There you go. And then we're gonna put this orange sealing ring in instead. So what you do is you just put it around the track of the sealing ring. As you can see, there's a ring right here. You can see it closely, and we're just gonna push it into the track. There you go. It's nicely snug onto the sealing ring track. Okay, so we also have the float valve. It has a silicone tip on it. And if you remove it, you can see the float valve. Basically, this float valve will tell you if it's pressurized or not. And this silicone is the stopper. But make sure you clean it every time you use it, or else it might not work. Okay, we're gonna put it back on. Okay, we also have the anti-block shield. You press in, you squeeze it, and you can remove it. That's where the steam is released. Make sure you clean it after you're done cooking. And we're going to press it and push it back in. Okay, that's it. We have the stainless steel pot in there. And now we can put this in. And it's just that simple. The only downside so far I'm seeing for this product that I received is that it's missing the condensation collector, which connects to the back. But that's alright, I'll ask the manufacturer for a new one. Okay, so this is where the steam comes out. And you just pull it out and clean it if you need to. Okay, so if you need to vent it, you just push it in. And this should pop up and it should vent. And if you need to release it, just go to the left, twist it to the left and release. And it should be sealed again. Okay, so let's plug it in and look at the interface. Okay, so we have it plugged in. It has soup, 30 minutes, meat stew, bean chili, poultry, slow cook, saute, rice, multigrain, porridge, steam, and yogurt, or pressure cook. And yeah, I can't wait to give it a try. The interface looks pretty intuitive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes and reviews.